Hello fellas, hope you are doing great. In this third video of Bootstrap 4 series, I'm gonna talk about Jumbotron. A Jumbotron is a special Bootstrap class which indicates a big box for calling extra attention to some special content or information. A Jumbotron is displayed as a gray box with rounded corners. It also enlarges the font size of text inside it. Inside a Jumbotron, you can put nearly any valid HTML, including other Bootstrap elements or classes. So yeah, let's jump into our today's topic. So now to create a Jumbotron, at first you're gonna have to create a div tag and give it a class of Jumbotron. You're gonna put all of your stuffs like a header, a paragraph, a button. You can even put a link inside this Jumbotron. So I'm gonna create a h1 tag first and type something like it's Jumbotron. And after this h1 tag, I'm gonna create a paragraph tag and paste some random text. Save it and preview it on your browser. And here you're gonna get a Jumbotron. This is what a Jumbotron looks like. You can even add a button after this paragraph. Just go to the code editor and create a button tag. Give it those cool button. Give it those Bootstrap button classes like BTN outline. I'm gonna create a secondary button. If you don't know how to create Bootstrap buttons, I recommend you to watch my second tutorial video where I talked about how to create buttons, how to style them, how to create button groups. Link is on the description. So I'm gonna name it as see more. Save it and preview it on your browser. Here you're gonna get a secondary button. So that's how we create Jumbotron on Bootstrap 4. You can even change the style of this header or paragraph. Give it a class of display 4. And on this paragraph, give it a class of lead. Here you're gonna get more pretty text like this. I'm gonna talk about these classes on my Bootstrap typography tutorial. So that was it for today. Yeah, I know you are a developer. You like to code day and night all the time. But did you sleep well last night? If it's a no, then go and sleep a bit, or read some books, read some novels, or play some music. Hang out with your friends and chill. Have some fun. You may come with some great ideas. And who knows, maybe you are the one. See you in the next video. Sayonara.